Welcome everyone to my Deezas Dainty Crafts. I'm at my shop right now. Just want to share with you the things that I have made, and I'm just walking right now. Here's my sign right here. It's called Deezas Dainty Crafts, and let me share with you my business card here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is my business card. Deezas Dainty Crafts. And right now I'm going to share with you the things I've made. Okay, here are some of the pigs I've made. I've crocheted little pigs. I've actually made more at home. I have a few left with the wings. I'm always running out of inventory, so you guys are what you see. You might not be here anymore. So if they go really quickly. I sell a lot of the octopus too. I only have a few left, and I've made different ones this year, so, and you'll see that later in the future. I'm in the process of making it, so it'll be done by next week. Here's a pink hat, a pig hat for a little baby girl. A three, I think it's for a baby, maybe a 3 to 6 months old, or it could be, I don't know, what did I write on here? Just a child hat. And I got some baby booty sets here with the hat and the booties. They sell really well, and what you see, you might not see it ever again, but I am always making more. They're $10 a set. So, and I make Barbie dresses here, down here. They're $2. I make little newborn hats with hearts. A lot of customers love the ones with the hearts. Okay, and they're only $3 here at the shop. And these are really thick. I sell a lot of the thick ones. I also color pictures. So whatever I color, I frame it, and these sell really well, as a matter of fact. Some of these pictures are really, I really like it. These are my religious ones. This is the Tree of Life. It's right back here. This one is Praise God. And I have one with Noah's Ark. Then these are only $10, so with the frame too. So this one says Rejoice. I sell a lot of the mermaid ones. Some are gone. And right here I have some bookmarkers here. I sell a lot of the heart bookmarkers. Sometimes I get a customer want me to make maybe 30 of them, and they bring the yarn. I'm willing to do it. Okay, wait. Let's drop some of my bookmarkers here. But I am willing to take any orders. If you live in the local area, you need some hearts, I'm here to help you. Okay, and these are $1 each. But I'll make a deal with you if you want to bring your own yarn and want to make an order. I'm very reasonable, so all you pay is the labor. These are some of the crosses I make. These are only $2 here, but at the craft show they're $3. So, what else I have? I have infinity scarves, a poncho, some of the scarves I made. This is like a shawl and scarf, so you can use it either way. This is shawl and scarf. And these are little girl ponchos. Here's a bird I made. This is you know what this is. Let me just turn you around. Yep. Some elephants. the Disney characters I've made, Mermaid, Aurora, Princess Aurora, and Maleficent. I've got a little tiny Cinderella here. A lot of my Snow White I've sold, and I've got the Hulks down here I've made. Those are the newest ones I've made. I made the little pink elephant. I have some gift bags here that's left. And some baby cheeks here. Pelican in the back. I don't know if you can see them in the background, but my lion. I gotta make them more. Little elephants. I got dinosaurs here. I have a few left. Princess. There's a princess hat. I have one that's left. So a lot of those. A little monster here. Baby lovely hats. I've got the dogs I've sewn. So they're only $10, and they make a lovely holiday gift, or any kind of maybe a birthday gift. Or here's one of the posters I've colored. A lot of the craft shows love the posters I make, and they sell. I only got one left, and then I got the market bag here. There, and they have a lining in it. So this 4th of July is coming soon. So if you like this one, it's here for sale. This kind of yarn here is like a watermelon seed, but it could be Christmas, but it's a watermelon color yarn. It's kind of like little black in between the red, and it has a lining in it. I sold a lot of those. I have more at home. I have to sew the lining, but they make a great gift for someone. I got pillows here, the turkey, the scarecrow, little baby cheeks, and here I have some handbags I sewn. Here, what's left. I have to make more. This is pinwheel crochet handbags. The holiday. This is what's left of the Halloween bags I've have. These are cotton material. I have a little girl one, a little cat for a little girl, and they're very affordable. I just sell it for $4. I have one in a scarecrow. So the fall is coming soon. It's not yet here yet, but it will come right away. So those will sell. And here I have some headbands I've made. They sell very well at the craft show, so I'm always running out. I'm getting kind of low with everything. Here's some of the crochet necklaces I made. Here's some baskets. You can put your coins, your keychains, whatever you want, your keys, a lot of people actually use these. And in this basket I have crochet rings. Then they have little bugs on them. Little bracelet for a little girl. You can even use this as a cord tire. So, and here I have some crochet rings that I crocheted myself. So if I put one on, my finger. Let me see. There, see? I put one on my finger. You can wear it. And they're only $2. Here I have some of the fingerless gloves I've made. I've got a few left of my pouches. You could put your pencils, your makeup in these. They're buttoned. So, and then I have some mail hats left. Not very many. They sell very quick, the mail hats. And I have a little bit left of the women hat. And the spring, summer time is coming. So, what else I have? I have these lovely scarves here. And these are sellers, you know, the little girls like these kind of little tiny purses. So and so I have these kitchen towels, and here I have whatever I have left of the phone covers. I have 7-inch tablet covers, so if you want to come down and want to protect your phone, I have some covers here. Just come and fit your phone. What size? I have all kinds of sizes, so you might have a small one, you might have a long one. Just come on by if you need to protect your phone. And here I have so quite of these. These are the door, you know, the door cover. I mean the door signs. You know, a lot of people like these little tiny signs that I color, and I spray it with acrylic, some kind of shiny acrylic spray, bookmarkers. And last but least is another poster I've made, and I'm making more. And I have some, these are just hanging right here. They're just cup coasters. So I got the animals sold. These, it's getting low. This would be full. Oops, but I don't know if I want to put that there. But I'm just gonna hang it there. It just keeps falling. Okay, well, this is a tour of my little tiny shop, and I hope you like it. And I am located. Oh, this is not working. But anyway, I'm located in La Habra, and I rent from Debbie. I rent the right side is my shop. When I have a craft show, everything is taken out and gone to my craft show. And she's on the left side, and the address here is Picture Perfect. I don't know if you can see the sign. It's Picture Perfect, and we're located in La Habra. And the hours are from 11 to 5, Monday through Friday. So if you want to come and visit, you are welcome to come by. All right, take care. God bless you.